volverá, mi nena volverá, lo sé, lo sé.
With final exams coming up, don't forget, every 3 tardies counts as an absence. Be on time for class.
It's almost that time of year, seniors. Graduation is right around the corner. Get excited. We will all take our final walks as seniors on May 19th at 7:30 p.m. in the Cynthia Woods Mitchell Pavilion. Dress in your best business formal attire, but gates open as early as 6 p.m. That means no flip-flops or tennis shoes. Before you're able to walk on stage, make sure you have all your fees paid. Let's keep ourselves motivated and prepared for the end of our high school journey, seniors.
So I became a college prep English teacher because I was a first generation college student and I really wanted to help the kiddos who might not have that guidance at home like I did. And it's really working out. I would love to teach philosophy, but clearly that class is not offered here. Maybe one day I'll get to write an entire course and present it to someone.
Kind of get in touch with what you do believe, okay?
The students are working on satirical skits, and as they trickle in, I'm really impressed. I've been laughing a lot at what they're bringing. English was my favorite subject as a kid, and it was because of my senior English teacher. She just had this bubbly, colorful personality that made English engaging, and I try to embody that too. My favorite part about teaching English is when we get to laugh as we're learning. Yes, so advice for anyone who wants to teach English that I have is it is equally challenging as it is rewarding. The worst part about teaching English for college prep is that my babies are graduating and I won't see them again.
Adam Sandler.
Oh, that's Ian McKellen.
Oh, who is that? Can I skip it? I don't know. Oh, Leonardo DiCaprio.
That is Leonardo.
What's his freaking name? Leonardo DiCaprio or something, yeah. I don't know.
Brooke Corlin, that's Matthew right there. That's Matthew. Wait, I think that's Matthew.
I don't know. I couldn't tell you.
Robert Downey Jr.
Bro, I can't even see bro's face. No, that's Tony Stark though. That's Miley Cyrus's dad.
Is that Tom Cruise or no?
I don't know who that is. I'm smart.